I can see that pearl underneath him. The light's glinting off of it, and he's getting ready to drop another one. Or she. Oh, there it goes. Ew. When you see their faces, they almost look like little anime animals. Little cartoon anime animals. Like the cutesy ones. Look like it's twerking. The funny thing is they actually use that to breathe too. Once they have a whole thing of spit made, spittle, the big thing of bubbles and slime, they have to stick the end out to breathe about every minute or so. The little orange one in the back is a baby or a juvenile. And sad to say, the one on the